Okay, this is how I clean the chamber on a Remington 742 or 704, something like that, 7400 I mean. And what I do is I take a standard cleaning brush like this, and I cut this off right here, and then I take some steel wool, and I just happen to have some coarse, medium coarse, number 2 steel wool, and I just wind it around the brush here, and this is what it looks like when I get it wound around there. And I put some oil on it or something like that, and I put it in to a cordless drill like that, and then I just insert that into the chamber like that. Sorry about the camera work there. And then I turn it on slow speed, real slow, and wind it around in there, and that cleans the chamber of all the rust. You can speed it up a little bit. I'm going slow. I've already done this job, so I just happen to think somebody else might get some help from this. And then I pull it out, and you leave some particles of the thing in there. So you got to clean it with. I use some gun scrubber. I squirt that down in there, take it outside. You shouldn't breathe this stuff or you can get it on you. It's not good for you. I don't even know if they still make it, but this is what I use. And that cleans it up so that it extracts. Now I've completely disassembled this and reassembled it, and the chamber was still bad, so I ran this little wire brush in there and cleaned it up. So you can see right there the fabric, the wool on it. Steel wool, and hope that helps somebody out. It worked out great on this gun. It's shooting good and it's extracting, and I did replace the extractor because it was broke and in bad shape. And there's the extractor. Well, I just dropped it, and I did replace this cover. That was about $8 or $9, but I did completely reassemble it and then polish it again and finish the job. It's one of those volunteer jobs I didn't charge anybody for. Okay, thanks. Hope that helps you out. Thanks for looking.